Hello, lovely people. Thanks for watching another episode from Divine Arts Tech and Tutorials. Okay, so the other time I had a question from a friend on how to also be a YouTuber, someone who puts videos on YouTube and has his own YouTube channel. So he basically asked, how can I get my YouTube channel? And I know there are so many people out there who have the same question in mind. And today, the main purpose of this video is to answer their questions. So without wasting much time, let's move on and see the process involved in becoming a YouTuber. So you first open your YouTube app. I know you all have the YouTube app because you'll be watching this video through YouTube, of course, so we all have access to the YouTube. We wait for it as loading to appear. Okay, so at the top menu you see we have three buttons: the video button, the search, and the profile. Normally whenever you log into or you sign up onto the YouTube, whenever you get a new phone, you get to register with your Google Mail. So normally if you use that Google Mail to sign up to your YouTube, officially that email that you signed in with becomes your channel. Okay, so whatever you do there is attached to your channel. Whatever video you like, they are all activities of your channel. Okay, it seems the video is taking too long the app is taking too long to open, but it doesn't matter, we will not be using that. So you see in my channel, when I come here, I have Divine Heart. Okay, sorry for the mistake I made earlier. CrazyDivine158@gmail.com. So that's my email. Okay, so that's the email I registered my YouTube with, and officially that's my channel. I don't have to do anything again. I have my channel on board. No need for anything to be done. So what else should be done if I want to upload a video? Okay, so in the first instance I mentioned the video button, the search. So if I want to upload a video, I tap on the video button up here. Okay, so you see record. You can record an instance that's just taking place, or you just go live, you record yourself while it's uploading. Okay, you record as it's uploading, so it's a live feed. And you can also upload some videos you have on your phone. Okay, so I have some videos here. I can upload them if I want to. Okay, so that's the main steps in uploading a video. Let's see if you wanted to upload this video, how it will be done. Okay, so this is what we have here. So I have the video I want to upload. Sorry for the notification. Okay, so I have a video I want to upload. I just come here, type in the title of the video. Okay, let's see. This is just some tutorial, so let's say this is the title I want to give it. I can type in some description, anything about the video. Okay, then if you want to make the video private, that will be for only your view, or you can make it public so that everybody can see it. You can add your location and others. And when you are done with all this, you come up here, then you tap on upload to what upload it. Easy as it is. There are no complications with using this. Okay, but when after uploading you want to manage your video, you want to edit some of the things you did in it, maybe the description, the title, you want to change it. How will you do it? That's when you will need an app. Okay, you will need an extra app for this work. And so when you come to your profile, you see your channel. Under your channel there's YouTube Studio. That's the app that helps YouTubers to engage their videos, edit it, and work on it as they wish. Okay, so you just tap on it. If you don't have it, it will direct you to Play Store to download it, but if you have it, it will directly open it for you. Okay, so this is my YouTube Studio. Okay, so when you open the YouTube Studio, you have a menu here. You have the first menu on the menu to be the dashboard. Yes, I have my dashboard. Any progress I have on my channel, I see it here on my dashboard. Some comments, some analytics. They are all on my dashboard. You can see I currently have 29 subscribers. That's too low. Yes, I recently started YouTubing and I'm teaching you how to start yours. Okay, so don't worry about that, but I hope you watching the video are part of those 29 people, and if you know you are not part, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down there before we continue. Okay, so let's move on. We have the video, so the videos I've uploaded, they all display here. So if I want to edit anything, I just come here. You see I have the number of views, comments and likes on my videos as well. So if I want to edit anything, I just tap on it. Okay, so you see the first button, we have the pencil, we have share, and we have YouTube. The YouTube will direct you to the video, your video found on YouTube, so that I can watch it on YouTube or anything like that. Okay, so if you want to edit, you just tap on the pencil. Okay, so you have the information here. I have the title, that's logging on your Android device in few steps. Thanks for watching this video. That's the description. Public. No, it's not made for kids. If you make kids for kids, it will restrict it just because it's only made for kids and the viewers will be limited. Okay, so the advanced settings, I have all them here. Okay, so that's the main basic settings and how to manage your YouTube videos. We have the playlist. You can create playlists that you put your videos in. So currently I have only one playlist, that is tutorials. So all the tutorials I have comes under this playlist. And the comments others have given about my video, the comments some people have given about my video, I come here, I see it, I want to reply or like it, I just come, I like it. Okay, then I move on. Analytics. Okay, so the analytics shows the overview and other information about your YouTube account, how it's growing, the rate at which it's growing, and other info about it. Okay, your subscriber rate, the discovery rate, your audience, they are all in your analytics. So that's the main purpose of the YouTube studio, and then anyone who wants to be a YouTuber should be able to access this app. Okay, so in case you are using the computer and you open your YouTube from the browser, okay, you already have the YouTube studio there or the creator studio there. On the computer is normally the creator studio, so you don't have to download any app for it again. On the YouTube website you open, you can access it and use it. You can access your dashboard, upload your videos and do all that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you come once again to watch more videos from us. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get access to every little video we upload here. Thank you once more. Full of ungrateful people. Men I do no link up with the evil. This are no marathon, but